Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Solana. As you guys know, Solana is being talked about within the cryptocurrency community like never before. As far as being talked about, I think this year, the month of September has been the most, of course, because of that massive, chance that it could see $200 million worth of Solana being dropped on the market in 2 days from now on. But we're going to be discussing whether or not that is likely going to happen, but things are starting to look not as great, and things that we were projecting on our channel is exactly what we're seeing happening. As far as the price is concerned, it's down about 1.1% over the past 24 hours. Majority of the market has also taken a hit. If we're looking at the price, $18.15, down 1%. It dropped even lower. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce, and it's also down about 0.8% in Bitcoin comparative, with a market cap of $7.5 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 435.7 million. If we're looking at the price right now, that's what everyone is here for, because Solana did something quite interesting, and that is that it did break below that level of support, which we were discussing just a few days back on September 8th, that I said there's a strong chance we will see the price of Solana retesting the support line and potentially even breaking below it. And today, as of September the 11th, 2023, you can see that we did see the price of Solana go below that level of resistance. But of course, we do have some resistance. We do have some support built up around these levels. So of course, that's where we have seen the price being supported at. If I'm bringing out the hourly time frame, you guys will be able to see this picture better. So basically, in a matter of, you could say, in a matter of 3 days, the price of Solana has dropped about 11%. And again, not a surprise for any one of us, because FTX owns quite a bit of Solana, around $630 million to be exact. And obviously, some news that has come out is a little far-fetched. There's some things that are not too accurate as far as numbers are concerned. $600 million does not mean they're going to market sell $600 million at once. But just the news itself, the misinformation that's going around, obviously that is going to create panic. And Bitcoin did exactly what we were talking about. Bitcoin seen once again a drop below this consolidation phase that it has been pretty much for almost a month. We saw the price of Bitcoin touch $24,963 coming in support at the June 15th, and of course the resistance back in February. So you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin continues to show us weakness within its price. Dominance, on the other hand, is picking up, and this is something I was discussing on my channel over the past few days. I said there's a strong chance Bitcoin dominance can start moving back up to that 50%. Of course, a lot of uncertainty as far as the entire market goes, and if Bitcoin is about to see a little bit of a drop, we will see dominance pick up. And as a matter of fact, that is what we're seeing. And now the next few days could be very, very interesting. But now comes the question, what exactly is next for Solana? If we're looking at Solana, you can see this for yourself. After breaking below this level of support today, we did make our way all the way down to that $17.33. And we're seeing a little bit of a bounce from that zone. You can see the price has jumped up about 5.3%. We also made our way back above that level of resistance, above that $18.31. But you can see this for yourself. We're finding ourselves once again below that level of resistance. So now that comes the question is, are we about to see Solana just trading back and forth around this level and potentially retesting that $15 mark? That could be something that is, close in my opinion, especially leading up to this news, this massive dump that people are thinking of. And, right now there's no certain confirmation whether or not there is going to be even them being allowed, FTX being allowed to liquidate Solana up to $200 million per week. again, it's not confirmed as of now, but just the news itself, especially how the entire market is reacting, the entire market sentiment is still quite bearish, which is causing Solana to really get hit quite hard. Some people are making some insane targets, saying $8 Solana to possibly even $5 Solana. I've told you guys this before. I don't personally see this happening unless Bitcoin obviously drops down to $10,000, which in my opinion is not going to happen unless we hear the most bearish announcement that you can think of, which I don't even know what it could be at this point. But unless that happens, I don't see Solana retesting $5 or even $7, because $7 to $8 is quite a sharp drop from our current levels. You can see this for yourself, about 56% drop, so quite substantial drop to say the least. But the next few days are very interesting. I really do believe leading up to this quote unquote expected date, which is September the 13th, who knows if we could potentially be retesting that $15 mark. I have a feeling due to the bearishness we're seeing, there could be a chance that we could retest that. And if they do send out a confirmation that yes, we are about to drop some on the market, then of course that is going to affect that. But the craziest thing is, the one that's creating the most panic is the fact that the wallets have seen movements. Due to the wallets movements, that is the reason as to why people are getting worried. People are thinking that, this dump is really going to happen. So what people usually are, doing when this type of massive uncertainty and FUD comes is people lock their funds into a stable coin and just wait on the sidelines till things stabilize. So that could be something that a lot of people are doing right now, but I still do believe that the weakness is still there for Solana and of course Bitcoin itself. And there's still a chance that we could see some lower price action for Solana. But, people in my comment section are saying that, this might be one of the best opportunities for them to be picking up some cheaper Solana. So we'll see what happens as far as Solana is concerned. As I've said, as a project itself, it's there to win. It's, making some massive moves around the crypto space, really taking the project up to the masses. It's really doing what it promised to do. At the end of the day, yes, we're seeing so much FUD, but let's not forget what Solana is doing. It's doing what it was really made to do, and the overall blockchain experience is way cheaper compared to its competitors such as Ethereum. And obviously Ethereum scalability issues, the reason why we're seeing so many layer 1s, layer 2s, and different blockchain projects really thriving over the past few year and a half to almost 2 years. But yeah, that is it for today's update. I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts? Do you guys see that Solana is going to see new lower prices, or do you think this is close to where we will see the price go? I want to know from you guys in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much for all your support, guys. You guys are killing it with that support. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.